Hey YouTube, Silver Buyer here. I don't know if I'm going to be able to top that last unboxing. I'm hoping that Bullion didn't send me a toilet paper roll. But yeah, that was pretty cool of that guy. You never know when you might need TP, right? If you don't know what the hell I'm talking about, check my video titled Toilet Paper Unboxing. It should be live on the site before this Bullion unboxing. So, Bullion had the, was it the 2014 Armenian Noah's Ark 1 ounce coins, and I bought a sealed roll of them. They had them for like as low as 2 1/4 over spot, and I never see these locally, so I picked up a roll. I'm not religious at all, but a beautiful coin's a beautiful coin. And I really like these with the ship and the dove or whatever. It's a sealed tube of 20. Armenian Noah's Ark, 2014 Noah's Ark, 1 troy ounce, 999 fine, 500 drams coin, Republic of Armenia. I think I got some of these, and I know I've got some before, like for my dad. Really cool coins. Real mirror-like proof finish, or mirror-like and proof-like finish. Definitely worth the premium. I wanted to get the 5 ounce and the 10 ounce, and probably the kilo, but it'll take a little bit of time, and the 5 ounce was sold out. I was going to get this in a 5 ounce, but it was sold out. So, yep, 20 of them, and I think these are underrated. These and the Philharmonics, the Austrian Philharmonics, are underrated. These ones have reeded edges, kind of just like a silver round. I think Geiger makes these, and well, there's some German on the label that I took off, but yeah, I think Geiger, Ed Metalli or whatever makes these for Armenia. Very nice coins. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment, subscribe.